Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Whistling Kid. Today isn't going to be really a whistling only video. I'm actually going to be whistling for one of our parrots. Crackers the Goffins cockatoo is a newer bird that we recently took in. He's still getting used to us, but does love to dance, and he loves when I whistle to him, and he'll dance to it, so let's see if he'll do it. Hey Crackers! Do you want to dance? Come over here. It's alright. You can go to a perch. You're fine. You're fine. Oh, jeez. Do you want to dance? Let's dance. Come on over. Let's dance. Yeah, let's dance. Do you want to try something else? You like that, Crackers, huh? You're a good bird. Good bird. Good bird. What are you doing? Anyways, thanks for watching. Another disclaimer though. Not all birds are going to dance like that. Some of them will, some of them won't. Do not go out and get a bird just because you see videos like this, because I know they're a lot like mine. With birds seeming cute and stuff. They are a lot of work, they're extremely expensive, extremely loud, and most don't do that sort of thing. So yeah, I highly discourage you from getting a bird. Also, all of our birds are allowed outside of their cage at any point in time throughout the day, and they have lots of play stands set up around the house. But since he's new, he does choose to stay in his cage most of the time because he came to us with the cage, and so he is used to it and sees it as a safe place. Anyways, thanks for watching. And good bird, Crackers. It's alright. You're alright.